Hi guitarlings, I'm Gray at Hub Guitar here today with another fingerstyle exercise for building fluency and functionality of the plucking hand. So today's exercise is going to be a straightforward roll with thumb, index, middle, and ring fingers playing in succession. The strings involved are 6, 4, 3, 2. We're going to skip over the 5th string. That's very common in a lot of guitar chords. So this string combination is particularly commonplace. We're going to start with an A minor 9 chord. So I'm going to take my middle finger and put that on the 5th fret of the 6th string. And I'm going to skip over the 5th string, as we mentioned, and put my ring finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string. And my pinky goes underneath on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And then I get to play the 2nd string open. That's the 9. That's a really nice little voicing. So we're going to do thumb, index, middle, ring to pluck that before going on to our G chord. Now because I had my middle finger on the 6th string, I like to just slide down and put that on the 3rd fret of the 6th string to get my G chord. Now we're going to an F major 7 with a sharp 11. Pretty tense sounding chord. So to get there from the G chord, I'm just going to take my index finger, put that on the 1st fret of the 6th string, and then I'm going to use this pair of fingers, that's my ring and pinky finger, actually a lot like I did for the 1st chord. I'm going to use them together. So 3rd finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and pinky finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and again there's an open B. And then we're going to switch to an E chord. Of course, if you know your open E, it looks a little bit different than this, but we don't need the note on the 5th string. So we're just going to do open 6th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string, 1st fret of the 3rd string, and open 2nd string. And I'm using my 2nd finger on the 2nd fret and my 1st finger on the 1st fret, just like that. So this is kind of modeled after some Spanish guitar ideas that you might have heard, and with a little bit of a fingerstyle touch to it. Now, if you like, you can double the duration of each chord. In fact, I think that makes it sound a little better. And most importantly, it increases your concentration on the plucking hand. Remember, this is a plucking hand exercise. So go nice and slowly at first as you get those transitions down. Don't worry about increasing speed. It's all about programming your fingers with the muscle memory of how to do it, and pretty soon they'll start to do some of their own thinking. So that's it for today's exercise. If you like this exercise, I hope you'll stay tuned because I have many, many, many more coming. All right, thanks for watching.